Hello again, grade 2. It's Mr. Bedford here, and today we're going to do some more maths work together. Today we're going to learn more about patterns. We've had a look at shape and colour patterns, and we've had a look at number patterns. We've worked out which ones are real patterns and which ones are not real patterns, and we've even worked out the rule for each of the patterns. But before we do something new today, let's see if we can remember all of the work that we've done about patterns in a little quiz. So again, for today's class, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. You don't need colours though today because we're only working with numbers. Okay, here are 3 questions. They're multiple choice questions. So all you need to do for each question is to answer by writing the letter that is the correct answer. Okay, here's question 1. What should patterns be? Should they be A, different, B, repeating, C, ordered, or D, backwards? Write your answer onto a piece of paper. Question 2. What can we make patterns with? Can we make them with A, numbers, shapes and colours, B, pictures and songs, or C, sentences? Again, write your answer onto a piece of paper. Question 3. Finish this sentence for me. All patterns need to have A, story, B, rule, C, colour, or D, shape. Good luck with those questions. We'll check the answers at the end of this little class. Okay, so today I would like to introduce you to increasing patterns. I've highlighted that word, increasing. I wonder if you know what it means. So what does increasing mean? Well, if something is increasing, it means that it's getting bigger. We're going to be working with numbers for increasing patterns. That means that for each rule, the number in the next part of the pattern should be getting bigger. Okay, let's have a look at some increasing number patterns. Some of them are real increasing patterns, and some of them are not. I'll show them to you first, then take a moment to look at each one and see if you can figure out which ones are increasing number patterns, meaning getting bigger, or which ones are not increasing number patterns. Here's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The next one. 11, 9, 7, 5, 3. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here we have 10, 20, 35, 40, 55. The trick one. Here we have 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. The next one is 100, 200, 300, and 400. And the last one is 18, 20, 21, 23, 25, and 28. Take a moment. Which ones are increasing number patterns? Well, here's the first one. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's increasing because the numbers are getting bigger and they're going up by the rule of +1. Here's the next one. There we are. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The rule for this pattern is +2. The next one is the fourth one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are going up in the rule of +5. The next one is here. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. The rule for this increasing pattern is +3. The next one is 100, 200, 300, 400. Of course, this is increasing by the rule of +100. Now, I wonder if you can tell me why this number pattern is not an increasing number pattern. Well, we're starting at a large number and we're ending on a small number. So actually this is decreasing, not increasing. Here we have another one that's not an increasing number pattern. They are increasing numbers, but the rule is not the same. Here we're jumping by 10. Here we do plus 5 again, and then plus 15. That means that the rule is not the same. And the last one we have down here, we're at 18 to 20 plus 2, 20 to 21 plus 1, 21 to 23 plus 2, 23 to 25 plus 2. Then we've got plus 3 to 28. So again, the rule for this pattern is not repeating. How did you get on? So, an increasing number pattern jumps along a number line, getting bigger each time. Now remember, with all patterns, it must always follow the same rule each time that it increases in number. Here are some things to quickly remember if you want to note them down on your piece of paper. All the number patterns have a rule. They use numbers to create the same pattern. Increasing number patterns always get bigger. They must repeat the same rule each jump up. You must make sure that you work out the rule for each increasing number pattern so that you can continue it correctly. So let's put that into practice, shall we? We're going to try some number patterns of ourselves today. So again, you will need your pencil and a piece of paper for some of these. We'll start working with some together. The first two number patterns I've put in black, and those are slightly easier ones. The second two are in red because those are slightly more tricky. What I would like you to do is work out the rule for each increasing number pattern and write it down onto a piece of paper for me. We'll do the first one together. Start at 5, then we jump to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, which means that the rule for this each time is, that's right, +1. I want you to now pause the video for me and see if you can work out the rule for the next 3 number patterns. Write down what you think it would be and then put it onto a piece of paper. Okay, time to take out your piece of paper and your pencil again. Here we've got some more number patterns. Here are 2 things that I would like you to do. I would like you to write down the rule and the number that comes next in each of the increasing number pattern. We start at 12. We jump to 22, then 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. What comes next and what is the rule? You've got 5 seconds to figure it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Of course, the rule is +10, which means the next number in this increasing number pattern is 92. Here's the next one. We start at 12, jump to 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Again, 5 seconds to write down the next number in this number pattern and the rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Okay, did you get it right? The rule is +2, so the next number is 28. We've got another one here. This time we start all the way up at 20. We jump to 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now this time, can you write down the next two numbers for me and the rule? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. The rule is +5. So the next two numbers are 55 and 60. Okay, this one's a little bit more tricky. We start at 12, jump to 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And again, can you write down the next two numbers in this number pattern and the rule, please? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, did you get it? The rule is +3, so the next numbers are 33 and 36. Okay, here's the beginning of an increasing number pattern. I want you to write down the next four numbers that would come in this number pattern. We start at 15, jump to 25, 35, 45. Okay, write down the next four numbers and you can show me next time. Here's another one for you. We start at 22, 24, 26, and 28. What are the next four numbers in this increasing number pattern? Again, please write them down onto a piece of paper and show me next time. Right, another one for you. Here we start at 6, jump to 9, 12, then 15. What are the next four numbers in this increasing number pattern? Again, please write them down onto your piece of paper and show me next time. One more for you. We start at 4, jump to 8, then 12, 16. So if you can figure out that rule, write down the next four numbers in this increasing number pattern. Okay, another final challenge for you. And just like you've done before, I would like you to make your own increasing number pattern this time, not just a normal number pattern. Show me next week, and good luck. All right, grade 2, it's time to check the answers to the quiz that we had at the beginning of the class. So, question 1. We asked you, what should number patterns be? Of course, they should be B, repeating. If they're not repeating, they are not a pattern. So what can we make patterns with? If you remember back to the beginning, I introduced you to this in the very first video. Of course, it's A, numbers, shapes, and colours. Final question. All patterns need to have a. Can you finish that sentence for me? That's right, they need to have a rule, otherwise they cannot be repeating patterns. So, how did you get on? Now, looking at all of the work you've sent me, I'm pretty sure that you've done a very, very good job. Well done. There will be some more homework to accompany this video this week, and it's exactly the same as you had last week. But instead of making colour and shape patterns, I would like you to use numbers and make number patterns. Good luck, everybody. Thanks so much for listening and so much for working hard. It's so great to receive all of your work every day, and I hope the feedback has been good. Okay, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. And remember, stay healthy.